Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know the facts or events related to 12th April. Let's start. Today in the year of 1801, William Carey was appointed Professor of Bangla Language at Fort William College of Calcutta. In 1861, Civil War begins in America. 11 states in the South waged a freedom struggle, with Jefferson Davis led by the declaration of a separate confederation from the United States. In the year of 1885, Prakaldas Banerjee, the famous historian who discovered Mohenjo-daro, was born. In 1927, British cabinet supports voting rights to women. In the year of 1943, famous politician and Speaker of the 16th Lok Sabha Sumitra Mahajan was born. In the year of 1945, US President Franklin Roosevelt died under mysterious circumstances. In the year of 1946, French occupation of Syria ends. In the year of 1955, Dr. Jonas Salk announced to invent polio medicine. Today in the year of 1961, the Soviet Union sent Yuri Gagarin into space, maintaining its supremacy in the space. He was the first human to travel to space. Major Yuri flew from the Baikonur Space Center in a spacecraft called Vostok. At that time, he was 27 years old. In the year of 1973, Sudan made its constitution. In the year of 1975, US accepts defeat in the Cambodia. After intervening in Cambodia's civil war for 5 years, the US separated itself from the fighting. In the year of 1978, India's first double-decker train leaves from Pune's Victoria Terminal on its maiden voyage to Pune. In the year of 1981, American spacecraft Columbia was launched for the first time. In the year of 1981, Tulsi Gabbard, the first Hindu-American MP in the US Congress, was born. In the year of 1994, on this day, Cantor and Siegel posted the first commercial mass Usenet spam. In the year of 2007, on this day, Pakistan approves India on Iran gas pipeline. In the year of 2009, on this day, Zimbabwe renounced its official currency, the Zimbabwe dollar. In the year of 2014, famous lyricist Gulzar was awarded the Dadasaheb Phalke Award for the year of 2013. In the year of 2014, on this day, new drug ABT-450 was announced with the 90 to 95% success rate for the treatment of hepatitis C. In the year of 2020, OPEC and the other major oil companies agree for the biggest drop in production to stabilize world prices. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.